Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about house, homes and buildings. Today, I will teach you about symbols. Symbols means every pictures, every letters represents something. Symbols is a thing that represents or stands for something else. Or a symbol is a mark or sign or word that indicates, signifies, or is understood as representing an idea, object, or relationship. You can say symbols also allow people to go beyond what is known or seen by creating linkages between otherwise very different concepts and experiences. Common examples of symbolism in everyday life is the dove is a symbol of peace. A red rose or red color stands for love. Black is a symbol that represents evil or death. A broken mirror may be symbolized separation. Children, what are sign or what are symbols means what are the differences between sign and symbols? Sign. A sign is something that is placed to point someone in a certain direction or recognized as a point at which change occurs in something, that is sign. And symbols is something that is used to represent the quality or attitudes of something. Every bank has their own symbols. When you went in market, you see different banks has their own symbol. Different party in politics has also their own symbol. Means that is the example. Some examples I will take. BJP, that the party symbol is lotus. Congress, Punjab, and our party, that is the broom. Different parties have different symbols. Different bank has their own symbol. So now see what is written in your book. First question is here. Every picture given below represents something. Under each, write what it stands for. Here some pictures are given and some words are also given. You have to choose your answer from the box and see according to the picture. Now, second question is given here. Here I already told you different banks has a different their own symbol. Here also some banks name is given and their symbol is also given. You have to just write the name of the bank it is associated with. You may choose from the box. Here symbols is given. First one is the State Bank of India. Second one is the Punjab National Bank. Third one is the Andhra Bank. Fourth one HDFC Bank. Fifth one is the Canara Bank. Sixth one is the Indian Overseas Bank. Seventh is the Union Bank of India. And eighth number is ICICI. Number C. Write the following names correctly under each picture. Students, see here. Some pictures are given and you have to write the name. First one is that is a picture, a symbol of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Second one is the plus sign is the medical ad, and third one is the justice, and fourth one is the peace. Fifth one is the Congress Party, and sixth one is the Bharat Petroleum. Children, all this answer is given in description. From there you have to write in your book or in your copy.